Hey guys, Jay up here and welcome back to another video. And as for most of you who know, I am sponsored by Astro, and today I received something new in the mail, which is something I would have loved to have made use of over these past couple years. For those of you who've been around during all those 24-hour streams, you would have noticed I would go from my Astros to some ear and headphones and then put the Astros back on later just to mix things up a little bit. And beforehand, those in-ear headphones weren't Astro, but now they definitely are going to be. Astro finally has in-ear headphones. I know some of y'all have been wanting this or asking for this as you don't like over-the-ear headphones, and we finally have them. You can use code JHUB as your promo code upon checkout to save 5% off of anything Astro. Just put in the promo code, either all caps, all lowercase, it should work. Those of you before, I know you could click on the link in the description, it will take you all the way to the end. That still works, but now you can just remember code JHUB and you're good to go. But I figured go ahead and show these bad boys off on stream, do an unboxing, shows you what come in the box, and make a quick little video for you guys because some of you are always curious. So right off the bat, this is how the box looks. And if we open this bad boy inside, you will be able to see this. I will have to say Astro has some of the best packaging on the market by far. They come in two colors, purple and white, and then red and a very dark blue. So my kind of colors if y'all have been around here. So let's go ahead and pull these bad boys out of the box, shall we? Hey, it actually comes with a nice little case as well. So if you're wondering how long they are, once you pop them out of their holder, it's about, well, there's actually a ribbon on this as well, keeping them nice and tight. Now, for those of you who are curious, it does have a flat cable. It's not a perfectly rounded off cable. It is a flat cable, and it looks like it's your standard 3+ feet long, your standard in-ear headphones length. Can't really show it on stream as I have a green screen right now, but just know it's pretty long. Then it comes with your microphone, your volume adjusters right here. If y'all would like to see a microphone quality test, let me know down in the comment section below. And like I did with the new A50s, I'll do that for you in case you want to use these as your new gaming headphones. So this is as long as they are. Really sleek, feels like good quality. Also in the box, it comes with this nice carrying case for those of you who don't want it to get tangled in your pocket, because somehow when you put in-ear headphones in your pocket, they always end up tangled. Outside of that, we have a little bit of ear cushions in case you have bigger or smaller in-ear tunnels, and some instructions. And I believe this is the sticker for those of you who like collecting them and putting them on things with your PC, fridge. Not gonna judge, but for those of you who like it, there's a sticker in there for you as well. So I'm trying to see if they actually have them labeled. They do. They have them labeled for both right and left. So let's go ahead and pop these bad boys in. It feels right off the bat a little bit noise canceling. It's definitely muffled when I'm sitting here talking. I'm not hearing my voice nowhere near as clear. So that's going to be good for gaming sessions, especially if you have things loud going on in the background, people always talking, or just background stuff. So they're good. Definitely would recommend this. So now it's time to go put in a gaming sesh with these bad boys and put some time on it. So like I said, if you want to save 5% off your Astro order, link in the description, take you all the way to the end. You'll see it at checkout, or use promo code JHUB. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.